Pretty sure that guy almost hit me, because he is way far back now. Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiiNoobs.
You see? Hey guys, SpaghettiiNoob here. Just a quick little video. Maybe just a quick little blurb.
Hey guys, please make sure you hit the like button, greatly appreciate it, and at the same time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, greatly appreciate it. The channel gets a lot of views, but no one subscribes, so please subscribe.
I think today is the first day of summer. It's like 97 degrees out here. Hopefully you can hear me okay, because I got my face shield up and the internal visor down. Even though that's not really going to protect my face, it is like a blow dryer set on high, or the highest setting, just blowing in your face. Or at least it was. Up until a few seconds ago, where it just started to get really cool. Which means that it is probably gonna rain. The forecast originally said that it was gonna rain today and tomorrow, and then be nice on Friday. And then rain throughout the weekend, and then possibly sunny on Sunday, being in the high 90s for the rest of the week, which is amazing. I've been taking routes that kind of don't have me stopping. I've only stopped at 2 lights. Just so I'm not standing still in traffic, because I'm at ATGATT, and ATGATT means you get really hot really fast as well in this type of weather, which is not a complaint but an observation, because I'd rather have this weather any day, all day, opposed to any snow. You know, I probably should have gone over there. Oh well. Let's see if I can sneak in. Can I sneak in? I'm gonna sneak in. Thanks, buddy. You let me through? I guess gonna let me through. So it's kind of weird driving with my face shield up. I mean, I've done it a few times. Usually, surprisingly, is when it rains. And, like, you can't see with the visor. And I have to keep my face shield up. And surprisingly, I don't get wet as much, but I don't know how that works. But in any case, I got my face shield up. It's beautiful out. Supposed to have a beautiful weekend, nice and hot. Finally, we've had some crazy summer. It's basically like, I don't even know what it is. It's not spring or whatnot, but basically it's been actually, never mind, just stay here. Basically it's been 2 days nice, rest of the week rain. And that continued for up until today. Well, that's all I really want to talk to you guys about today. Enjoying some close to 97 degree or close to 100 degree weather. What's the wind chill at? Does that even happen? Oh man, like I asked before I left, I was like, liner or no liner? So good. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.